Welcome to Portuguese for Nomads, Episode 12. I'm Sofia Mendez with Tiago Silva. Today you'll learn useful Portuguese for booking apartment viewings, asking about utilities, and reporting repairs, so you can find a stable home base and keep routines that boost your energy and work. Let's get started. Imagine this. You arrive at a viewing. No Portuguese. The shower leaks, and the listing didn't mention the deposit rules. You feel stressed, you lose time, and you might make a rush decision. This episode turns that moment into confidence. 7 short lines you can use immediately.
I'll preview what you'll get. 2 lines to book and confirm viewings, 3 to ask about utilities, deposit, and bills, and 2 to report problems and negotiate a small repair or skill swap. We'll slow the pronunciation, give translations, and show you how these lines help your daily habits and even your income. Ready?
Section 1. Booking and confirming viewings. Phrase 1 is simple and polite. Posso marcar uma visita, por favor? Slow. Posso marcar uma visita, por favor? English. Can I schedule a viewing, please? Use this when messaging a landlord or agency. Tip: add a time suggestion to sound organized. Hoje às 5 means today at 5.
Phrase 2, for confirming the day and time. Confirmo a visita para terça às 10? Slow. Confirmo a visita para terça às 10? Literal English. I confirm the viewing for Tuesday at 10. Use a polite rising intonation to check. Little habit tip. Schedule viewings back-to-back on one day to protect work time and sleep routines.
Section 2. Utilities, deposit, and bills. 3 essential lines. Phrase 3. A água e a eletricidade estão incluídas. Slow. A água e a eletricidade estão incluídas. English. Are water and electricity included? Quick tip. Checking utilities ties directly to budgeting and healthier at-home cooking. If utilities are included, you're more likely to cook and sleep better.
Phrase 4. Qual é o valor da calção? Slow. Qual é o valor da calção? English. What is the deposit amount? Word to note. Calção means deposit. Habit tie. Knowing deposit rules helps you avoid surprise costs and keeps your emergency fund intact. Good for low-stress travel.
Phrase 5. Como são cobradas as contas? Slow. Como são cobradas as contas? Translation. How are the bills charged? Use this to learn whether you pay flat rate, split by people, or pay direct meters. Habit tip. Clear bill rules make it easier to plan meals, manage laundry, and keep a steady sleep and work schedule.
Section 3. Repairs and negotiation. 2 lines that save stress and money. Phrase 6 for reporting a problem. O chuveiro está a vazar. Pode ajudar? Slow. O chuveiro está a vazar. Pode ajudar. English. The shower is leaking. Can you help? Say this calmly. Landlords respond better to clear, non-accusatory language.
Phrase 7 to request a small discount or offer a skill swap. Podemos negociar un pequeño descuento? O posso ajudar como reparo en troca de descuento? Podemos negociar un pequeño descuento o posso ajudar como reparo en troca de descuento. This keeps the tone cooperative and opens space for barter.
Quick negotiation framing. Offer a specific reasonable swap. An hour of teaching English, a small repair you can handle, or helping set up an online listing. That can reduce rent or get faster fixes, and it builds local trust. both good for long-term income and smoother routines.
How these lines help your habits and energy. When utilities, deposits, and repairs are handled clearly, you sleep better, cook more at home, and keep a consistent workspace. A steady home base protects your appearance and energy. Simple wins that make you feel more professional and confident.
And from an income perspective, offering a skill swap can turn a one-time favor into a recurring benefit, a discount, faster repairs, or even introductions to other locals who need your skills. Daily practice of these lines builds confidence. Daily practice builds real confidence.
Role play time. I'll be the tenant. Tiago, you're the landlord. Listeners, notice tone and short follow-ups. Ready?
Olá, bom dia. Posso marcar uma visita, por favor? Estou a chegar amanhã e queria ver o apartamento às 10 horas. Posso marcar uma visita, por favor? Estou a chegar amanhã e queria ver o apartamento às 10.
Bom dia. Sim, terça às 10 funciona. Só confirme se precisa de documento. Também a água e a eletricidade estão incluídas?
O valor da caução é a 500 euros. Uma última pergunta. O chuveiro está a vazar. Pode ajudar?
Claro, podemos combine a repair. Se quiser, posso oferecer desconto de 20 euros se você ajudar a montar novo chuveiro.
Role play notes. Keep sentences short. Pause after key information, and always end with a polite question to invite collaboration. This lowers stress and keeps negotiations friendly.
Immediate practice action. 48-hour challenge. Step 1. Pick 2 lines from today, one to book a viewing and one to ask about utilities or report a problem. Step 2. Send a message or call a real listing. Step 3. Journal 3 quick notes after the call. What you said, how it felt, and one improvement for next time.
Journaling prompts. How did the other person respond? Did you use a polite tone? What will you swap or negotiate if there's a repair? These tiny habits lock the language and build confidence fast. Recap. The 7 key lines are 1. Posso marcar uma visita, por favor? 2. Confirmo a visita para... 3. A água e a eletricidade estão incluídas? 4. Qual o valor da calção? 5. Como são cobradas as contas? 6. O chuveiro está a vazar. Pode ajudar? 7. Podemos negociar pequeno desconto ou posso ajudar com o reparo em troca de desconto? If you want more role plays, slow pronunciation tracks, and scripts for casual follow-ups, check the Home Base mini course, link in the show notes. It's a short, focused pack to turn these lines into routine habits and real confidence. Learn Portuguese. Optimize yourself. Connect deeper.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, and connect deeper. Speak Portuguese, build your tribe.